Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Hair Care Jury, thank you for joining me for another unboxing video. This is when Sally Beauty had their 4 for $20 sale, including the Mono's hair products. Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, where we judge products, not people. Alright, the next packages I'm going to do will be what I got from Sally Beauty when they had their October 4 for $20 sale. So I made 2 purchases from Sally Beauty when they had their October 4 for $20 sale. This is when the Mono's hair product line came out. And at the time, only 7 of the 8 products were available. The shampoo wasn't available yet. And since it was 4 for $20, and I knew I was gonna get all 7, you know, I had to add another product to make it the 4 for $20 of the eligible items. Now, I don't know which of these boxes have the 7 products and which don't. Let's see. Okay, I think this one is the one that has the 7 Mono's hair. So I like the packaging. Sally Beauty usually does a pretty good job with packaging. So the first thing is the curl restoring treatment. This is 6 ounces and it's taped, so I'm not gonna worry about opening it. Plus, from all the reviews that I've been watching and stuff, a lot of people say the smell is very chemically and intense. This is the curl smoothing pudding. This is 6 ounces. That's another thing people talked about a lot, was the ounces. So it wasn't like the standard 8 ounces or 10 ounces or 12 ounces. This is the curl setting gel, and this is 6.76 fluid ounces. It's also taped. And I have the curl styling potion. This is 6.76 fluid ounces. It says it's a 2-in-1 leave-in and styler with soft hold. Then this is the curl primer. It's a lightweight leave-in treatment. This is 6.76 fluid ounces. And then here is the curl co-wash plus conditioner. This is 10 fluid ounces, and it says it removes light buildup and detangles. And then the last thing I have is this. And then the last thing that I got in this order to make it 8 products of the 4 for $20 is the Ion Detox Solution Mud Mask. I've been wanting to try this for a while. If you've been watching my channel at all, you know I usually buy brands and lines in at least a 4 product set. So I buy a cleanser, either a conditioner or a deep conditioner, a moisturizer or leave-in, and then a styler. But this particular product, I really wanted to try it, so I just bought it. And then for this particular purchase, you know, Sally's, sometimes they give out little extra things. This is a holiday faux fur wine bag. So, and it's pretty cute. They have a little divider, looks like in the middle, but this is cute. And then in the second package that I got, I think this is Ion products. Like, I don't even know, I don't even remember, but we're about to see right now. If I have a way to put like the order or the shipping document or something where you can see it, I'll post that. But otherwise, you seeing what I'm ordering right now. That's what the unboxing is for. So let's see what's in here. And remember, I ordered this back in October. And a lot of this stuff, these coupons are expired. But again, the receipt. Nice packaging. Another of the bags. And this one is, oh yeah, okay. So this is the Ion Wellness Solution. This is the strengthening conditioner. This is the shampoo. This is the strengthening treatment mist. And this is the strengthening mask. I also got 4 more products. This is the Sally brand, the generic value products. Liquid sculpting gel compared to Sebastian Wet for versatile styling, adds body. I use a lot of gels and lightweight gels, so I figured this would be, you know, something good. That's my first time trying this product. It will be my first time trying it. This all-in-one styling potion compared to It's a 10 Potion 10 Miracle Styling Potion. This cream compared to Paul Mitchell, the cream, a leave-in conditioner and styler. I used to use this all the time. I like this. And then the deep conditioning hair mask compared to It's a 10 Miracle Hair Mask. I use my Sally Beauty Rewards to get 16 products for about $65.